Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove holidays in Google Calendar mobile. So if you want to clear all national or local country holidays from your calendar, you can do it on the Google Calendar applications on mobile, or you can also do it on browser. So in here, I've already opened my Google Calendar application, and as you guys can see, there's this uh, holiday shown in my calendar, like Diwali, Christmas, New Year's Eve, and others uh, holidays in here. So if you want to remove the holidays from your calendar, you can just click on this three lines icon at the top left corner, and then you can scroll down, and in here you'll see the holidays options. You can just uncheck this box, and when you do that, the holidays will not shown on the calendar. Or you can also do it on the browser. So if you want to do it on the Google Calendar browser, now you can just close the application and then go to your browser, and in here open this page, calendar.google.com. Then you'll be directed to your calendar in here. So for example, in here you can see on my calendar, this still the holidays is shown. So what you need to do, you can just click on the settings at the top in here, and you'll find the setting for other calendars. So for example, this is holidays in my country. So if you want to remove it, you can just click on the holidays that you want to remove, and then it will be open like this, the calendar settings. You can just scroll down and you'll find the unsubscribe button. So by clicking on the unsubscribe, you will no longer have access to this calendar. That means that the calendar will be removed. Okay, you can just tap on this, and just like that, it will not shown on your calendar again. Okay, you can just go back to the calendars, and that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this Google Calendar mobile tutorial will be helpful for you. So don't forget to click on the like if you think this is helpful, and don't forget to leave a comment if you have any question, and subscribe to and click on the thanks button. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.